Good morning, 8th graders. So today's assignment for Wednesday, September 25th. So let's get to it. So if you open up Schoology to today's screen, you see I have it here, Wednesday, September 25th. Your objective is to create a one-pager for chapter 2.5. So I have the link to the Discovery Ed reading right here so that you can refer to it. This is going to be a 2-day assignment. You will have this one pager. It's going to reflect the attention and care equaling 2 days worth of work. So make sure that you do that. I have the directions for the one pager right here. So if you click on that, let's bring that up and go over it. So let me bring that up. Let's click on that. And here we go. Here's our one pager as it comes up. So here's the one pager for chapter 2.5. So let's just go over the key details. You have the goal here and your purpose, and go ahead and read those please so that you get the big picture of it. But I'm just going to go over what you need to have on your one pager. So you need 2 excerpts, no more than 2 to 3 sentences each from the reading that is linked on today's Schoology. And these are passages you think are important. And the pictures that you draw will bring meaning to those. So that's number 2. Graphic representation. So fill the entire page with graphic representation. Doesn't have to be one. I'm thinking several different pictures, drawings and or symbols that illustrate or describe or explain the passages that you chose, those 2 to 3 sentence passages. So this graphic representation could be one scene or a collage of graphics. I like a collage, but it's up to you, okay? Your choice. Your selection of images should reflect your interpretation of or tied to the 2 excerpts you have chosen, as I said. Number 3, you're going to give a personal response. In 3 to 5 sentences, include a thoughtful personal response. Comment, connect to, or interpret what you've read. So it's all going to draw back to those 2 passages that you chose, okay? So write your thoughts in a carefully explained way so that you explore the significance of the 2 excerpts you selected and how your graphic representation draws a connection to the excerpts. So just tell me what you're thinking, okay, on that. So here's the additional requirements. Fill the entire page. Use ink only, no pencil, and colors to enhance the images. Student information in the lower left corner. Refer to the samples as a template. So I have samples over here. Here's a rubric, by the way, okay? So look at that rubric. Go on your own. But I have several examples here. Here's one. As you can see, it's pictures throughout. No blank spaces. I don't like blank spaces. Fill those up, okay? So there's, right over here, the 2 to 3 sentences that they had, okay? And we have another one here. Here's a different one. You can see the arrows going around like that, okay? So here's a third example, okay? So look at those to see how you can design your own. All right, so if you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comments section so I can help you. And that it can include, videos, what you would like me to include or what kind of videos. So that's our job for today in Schoology land. So I hope to see you soon. Do a good job and take care. Bye-bye.